Two. Here we go. We got the half case 2014 Topps Tier 1 Baseball eBay break half case. Here's our teams. Let's get into them. I'll read them off. First up, we have the D-backs, Big on Hockey, Braves, Jag 08. O's and the Red Sox go to Tommy Thorndike. Cubs, 2005 JS 2005. White Sox, Orzo 2021. Reds, 2005 JS. Indians, Big on Hockey. Rockies, J Loud 1. Tigers, Caligamus. Marlins, Caligamus. Astros, Tommy Thorndike. Royals, Caligamus. Angels and Dodgers go to TDA 12177. Brewers go to Big on Hockey. Twins go to Tommy Thorndike. DJ Bruns 3 gets the Mets. Yankees go to J Loud 1. Athletics go to 2005 JS. Phillies TDA 12177. Pirates go to Vito's Stuff. Padres go to PO8. Giants Knicks Cards 42020. Mariners DJ Bruns 3. Cardinals 2005 JS. Big on Hockey gets the Rays. Rangers go to Vito's Stuff. And the Blue Jays and the Nats go to Big on Hockey. You can't see that with that Minicam logo, huh? Let's move that over there. There we go. There are your teams. Everything look right, everybody? Any issues? Let me know. Otherwise, let's screen share back over and let's start cracking some cards. So we did roll for the case at the beginning. We had 4 cases. Roll the dice. This is the case that came up. It is also the case that seems like the room was interested in as well. Let me get my gloves on. Now we're also going to have to pick which side, so we're going to do a left or right. You guys can pick that. Just call it out, left or right in the room. The highest vote gets it, left or right, guys. Tommy's saying left. Everybody's like, you haven't opened it yet. Jag's got left. I got 2 for left, so we're going to go left once I open it. Let me get my gloves on. Smurf hands. Smurf hands. BGB, Blue Glove Breakers. PO came up with that. All right, everybody. All right, while I'm doing this, everybody, go ahead and call out the team that you want for the free stuff. Again, this is not the team that you got through eBay. This is just the team that you want as the team for when I call out for giveaways. I'm going to use that through the entire break. Again, those freebies are going to be those 2012 Topps Baseball. And also I have some chips and some other things as well. Oh, it's falling out everywhere. Jeez. This one went to the left. This is all right. It's all right. There we go. Left was the side you guys picked. This is not for this break. Okay. We start writing these down. Let's get breaking. All right, so Tommy's got the Yanks. I have Braves going to C-Pinch. Rangers going to Vito. Pirates the Yankees. Hey, Yankees, what's your eBay ID so I can match you up? I know what it is, but I forgot, man. Dakota's getting the Reds. Orzo, okay, right on, man. Sorry about that. Jag's got the Packers. Hey, Jag, what's your... Oh, you know, yours is the same. The Packers. Come on, man. Stop messing with me. Dodgers. Come on, man. PO, you got the Red Sox. Tommy still got the Red Sox for sale if anybody's interested. Yeah, just call out any team name, man. It's just for the freebies. I think I got everybody. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. I know I almost went with it, man. I'm going to pull all the packs out and cut all the packs individually. A little bit different than what I usually do. think it'll make it go a little bit quicker since I'm by myself tonight. And we're just going to stick with the hit in the box, man. In each box, the hit will get a free pack. On this first box that I'm going to do, there'll be a free pack of that 2012 Topps Baseball Series 2. That's the Series 2, by the way. A Gwen? All right, man. Hopefully. Maybe I can pull some Packers out of here for a smart ass over there. Excuse my language. All right. So, hit in this pack, the main hit. It's a free pack of those 2012 Topps if you called it. Good luck, everybody. First up, for the Braves, Tom Glavine. That is number 232 out of 254. On the Tom Glavine. I'm hoping, man. I want to see a monster. And here's the hit. Let's see if anybody called this. Nope. For the Tigers, that's an Al Kaline, 34 out of 299. Al Kaline. There's a thick pack, dude. There is a thick pack. That is the third pack down is actually a thick pack. Next up, Matt Adams for the Cardinals, 384 out of 399. Yeah, the Al Kalines, I have two. I don't know what's up with that. It seems to go in cycles. All right, next box. This one, I'm going to be giving away a pack of chips on this one. If you called the team of the main hit, give a pack of chips. First up, for the Mariners, Felix Hernandez. That is numbered 66 out of 254 on the Felix Hernandez. What, Tommy? They got me booing me, dude. I'm on my own tonight. Don't pick on me. I'm little. You guys are trying to open another pack of top loaders here. Jeez. Didn't want to open. All right, the hit for this pack. For the Giants, that's a Matt Williams, 61 out of 299. Matt Williams. 6 cases. It's a half case. 4 total cases, but this is a half case. Next up for the A's. Did anybody call the Giants? Anybody call the Giants? For the A's, that's a Sonny Gray. 6 out of 399. Come on. Hello. There we go. 6 out of 399. So far, nothing major, guys. There's a fatty 2 packs down. I'm going to roll with some chips again. You know what? I'm going to double up. If you called the hit on this one, I'll give you a pack of chips and a pack of that 2012 Series 2 Topps Baseball. For the Angels, that's a Josh Hamilton. 133 out of 254 for the Angels. All right, Tommy. Well, hopefully there's some hits, man. But if not, you know there's a monster in that other half. Anybody call this team? Somebody did, so I'm going to be giving away, and this is not a bad card, For the Dodgers, Juan Uribe, 3 out of 10 for the Dodgers. There you go. Nasty. There you go. The Dodgers. And that is Jag 08. Gonna get a pack of chips. Uribe, sorry. Pack of chips and a pack of this 2012 Series 2 Topps Baseball. First pack out of it, too, my man. It's a monster freaking box. Oh, these are rack packs, too, so you get 2. Nice, man. All right, and for the Mets, that's a Wilmer Flores. $3.99 out of $3.99. That's an eBay 101, and he signed it on the number like a doof. That's a $3.99 out of $3.99. Last one stamped, eBay 101. And it has a little bit of a ding on this corner right here. Right on that bottom corner is a little tiny bit of white right there. Nothing major. Lay's tater chips. All right, man. So it's jumbo pack. You get 36 total cards. I'm only sending you the hits on this. Good luck. Hopefully you get an autograph or a relic out of here. And you get a pack of chips too, my man. Lucky duck. Lucky duck. Let's see what you got. Wilmer Doof. You got Ryan Zimmerman, Jim Johnson. Looking for a rookie. You got a mini. Michael Pineda. That's that old school Topps. Like the 86 or 82 or something like that. That one's pretty cool. There's a rookie. Taylor Green. Another rookie. Jose. Tebow, whatever his name is. If you see any, if there are any other cards in here that you see that you want, let me know and I'll pull them out. What's this? Andy Chavez. Sparkle. Bob Feller. Whatever. Dustin Pedroia. There's a lot of cards in this. Juan Uribe. Brandon Dickinson. Rookie. Upside Down Madness. There you go, man. They do kill trees for that crap. All right, man. So these are going to come to you, obviously. This is for Jag 08. And you get a pack of chips. Let's see if we can get you an autograph or a relic out of here, bro. Kinsler. Andrus. Bourne. That's a silver. And a gold. It's a Rockies. Gonzalez gold. There you go, sir. Those are coming to you, Jag. Thank you for being in on the break, man, and coming to the room. All right, fat pack. Let's see what's in it. Oh. First up, for the Reds, Joey Votto, 42 out of 254. Reds. You're welcome, man. No problemo. Oh, man. There's a boom coming. Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers, 23 out of 254. Oh. Who had this team? Oh, Tommy. Tommy, you were trying to sell this team, too. You're trying to sell it. Oh. Did anybody call this team? Yeah. PO8, you're going to get a pack of those Topps. For the Red Sox, that's a big poppy. Autograph, dual relic, jumbo, nastiness, 23 out of 25. Boom. Whoa. Wow. Is that his jersey number? Holy crap. Oh, you got, huh? You got the Red Sox. Hold on. Yeah. Everyone wants to buy the Red Sox now, Tommy. Look at that. There you go, Tommy. Nice hit, brother. And then PO8, you get a pack of those tops, man. Nice hit, Tommy. Very nice, sir. Oh, next up, Tony Cingrani for the Reds. 3 out of 10. There you go, Reds. Nice Tony Cingrani. You should, Tommy. That's a nice big poppy card, bro. The Dodgers one? Yeah. If his jersey number is 23, then Adrian Gonzalez. I'm not sure. All right. Pack of those tops for you. Let's see what you get, man. Reds. Man, I should have rethought doing this jumbo pack for these freebies. That's a lot of cards to go through in a break, especially a short break like this. Sorry, guys. I thought it'd be a better giveaway for you guys. Getting tired of not giving away any hits. I want to give away some freaking hits, autos and stuff like that. Jose Bautista mini giveaway. Where are the rookies at? Who's this? Drew Stubbs, Sparkle, Mickey Mantle, insert. Jeez. Not even one rookie in there, bro. There you go. I'm going to send you those two. Or those 3. Thank you, sir. PO8, thank you. All right, next pack. Not seeing the back card, man. Back card's got to be in the other half so far, from what I'm seeing. There we go. Cal Ripken Jr. Legends back card, 74 out of 99. Going out to the O's. And the guy that bought the O's didn't pay, so they went into the room to Tommy. Tommy picked them up for cheap. Go, Tommy. Okay. Another one for the O's. Adam Jones, 248 out of 299. Go, Tommy. Another one. Mr. Lucky down there. For the Yankees, Greg Nettles, 178 out of 299. And Tommy picked the Yankees. You're going to get a pack of chips, Tommy. There you go. Greg Nettles. What's this? What is this? For the Mets, Zach Wheeler, 45 out of 50 for the Mets. There you go. For the Mets. Nice Zach Wheeler. Dropping my supplies over here. Alright. Pack of chips for Tommy. Goldschmidt. Big Poppy, gold. There you go. Stupid gloves. Kano. Got me some Kano. There's a Braves. Let's see if that's a relic or an auto. Nope. If you can, it's going to be your glow-in-the-dark magnetic. Here you go, Tommy. Thank you, sir. All right, Tommy. You want the other half? That Big Poppy kind of classifies as a hit, I think. A little bit. All right, first up, Paul Goldschmidt for the D-backs. 2 out of 25 for the D-backs. Next up, D-backs again. Mark Trumbo. 233 out of 299. Mark Trumbo. And Peter Borjos for the Cardinals. 355 out of 399. You may call the D-backs on that. Nope. That's a break, guys. Thank you for getting in on this break. Nothing major came out of it. The other half of that case must be nasty. Or the monster hits in the other cases, man. Best card, I think, was that Big Poppy. The Mets were... Let me look. The Mets were DJ Bruns 3. He had the Mets. Sorry, POA, man. That was definitely... There it is. I'm going to go through these cards real quick again. For those watching online, you might want to take a second. Paul Goldschmidt, Mark Trumbo, Peter Borgos, Zach Wheeler, Craig Nettles, Adam Jones, Cal Ripken Jr., Adrian Gonzalez, Big Poppy, Tony Cingrani, Joey Votto, Omar Flores, Juan Uribe, Josh Hamilton, Sonny Gray, Matt Williams, Felix Hernandez, Adam Jones, Al Kaline, and Tom Glavine. There it is. Thank you, everybody. We'll get it loaded up.